In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a workflow which will automatically send a monthly student summary to a corporate client. Our workflow will be report-based, so I'm going to jump into the report builder and find the workshop bookings report. I'm going to delete all filters except for the workshop start date and cancelled filter. Because I will be triggering this workflow at the beginning of every month, I want to change the workshop start date to look at last month. I'm also going to add the client contact ID filter. Here I can specify one or more contacts to filter my results on. The corporate client I'm going to be using is aXcelerate University. Feel free to include any additional filters you need, for example, workshop type. Next, I'm going to come into the display fields and customize the fields my client contact wishes to see. I may wish to add the USI, for example. Once you have selected all the required view fields, press Done. You may wish to come into the designer, where we can apply some report grouping. For instance, I may wish to group the report by workshop instance. The fields available here will vary dependent on the fields selected in the display fields. Note that the designer will only work using print format. Once complete, press Done and submit the report. Now, let's save the report. Ensure to include the word workflow in the saved report name. You must also share this report internally in order for the workflow to be able to access it. Finally, press Submit. Next, we're going to jump into the workflow system and create a new automated task. Give the task a name. Now, select the workflow action, Queue Saved Report. Select the report we've just created. You can search the word workflow in the drop-down to find the report more easily. Now, we can choose what format we would like the report to be emailed in. Note that any grouping done in the report builder will only work with PDF format. Here, we will want to select Public Link to allow our corporate client to access the report. Now, we can go ahead and press this Run Wizard button. Ensure the Search All Contacts button is checked, and then we can search for our corporate client contact. I'm going to use the defaults for all the other fields, so I'll go ahead and confirm this step now. Finally, I want to use my schedule that I've already set up, which will run the report on the first day of every month.